right now.
So
Yeah.
generally, when we like discuss amongst ourselves, like our groups, जब भी interview होता है, तो we generally discuss about the duration of the interview. अरे यार तुम्हारा 45 minutes चला, मेरा 60 minutes चला. Does the duration actually matter?
See, I'll give you a brief idea on that. Generally speaking, the longer the interview is, the more interested the interviewing officer is, right? And the more interested he is, the more likely he is to recommend you, right? Otherwise, what happens is, if it's just like a conversation, right? So if you're not interested in a conversation with anyone, right? So you will try to keep it short, correct? But there are exceptions, although, right? There are times when the assessors might have some other responsibilities which they want to discharge, right? So in that case, they make the interviews rather short, and that is for everyone then. Okay. So it doesn't mean that they will not recommend anyone. Fine. So this has also been observed that even if the interview went on for 20 minutes, and that was the case for that particular interviewer with each and every candidate, right? Only in rare cases was there a variation, but still, students, candidates who gave interview to that particular interviewing officer got recommended. Okay, so generally it's a sound parameter. However, exceptions are always there. Okay. Okay. What other doubts do you guys have? We'll
Sir, am I
take up doubts
audible?
till 9:15. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, actually, when I was I was recalling my interview,
Hmm.
I had gotten a question whether I was an introvert or an extrovert.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I had replied that I was an ambivert. That was right. I was right in the between of both of them.
Okay. Okay. See, acha, okay, ठीक है. So I'll tell you, the moment this question was asked to you, right? You have to understand that by that time the mistake was already done. Fine. So this is a very specific question, right? It is not part of usual set of questions that are asked to anyone. Okay, so you might have given off that what do we call vibe, right? That you might have a very selective number of friends. Typically, when he would have asked you, ki, how many friends do you have? So let's say if you said, sir, I have two friends. Okay, so if you open with that, or sir, I don't open up about my feelings. So anything along those lines, right? I like spending more time with myself, anything along those lines. Okay, so that makes you more selective. Typically, there's one more question in which the interviewing officer will ask you, what criteria do you have before making friends? So this is a trap question usually, right? The moment you give an answer to this question, okay, you're trapped, right? Because to be honest, we are required as an officer, you are required to be friends with all kinds of people from diverse fields. Okay. So the moment you have a criteria for making friends, it makes you selective. And selectivity in social adaptability is not something which is desirable. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Okay. So now it's 7:15 guys already, right? So now let's get started with the session. I don't think anyone else would be joining. अगर join नहीं कर रहे हैं, so whatever the case may be. So I had given you guys assignments to do two questions, right? Think about two questions. Fine. Now, why is this? Because these are very foundational kind of questions, right? These are especially when we talk about repeaters, these are the most probable question. This is the most probable question. Why were you not selected in the previous attempt? Even if you're a screen out, right? So this is one of the most likely questions that is going to arise in the initial few minutes of the interview, right? Now, even if you don't know, I mean, see, sometimes what I've seen is people try to run away from this question, as was the case with one of our students. His name is Sham. Currently, he is in the IMA, right? He's a third termer, I think now. Okay. So what happened is like he would always try to give a very short answer to this, or maybe it seems like he is trying to run away. So that shows lack of self introspection. Okay. Plus, it shows lack of sense of responsibility, right? Lack of self introspection is connected to reasoning ability, right? Factor one and factor two, right? Just by not answering this question properly, you raise a question mark on two factors. One of them is untrainable. Okay. I hope you understand. You have to take responsibility firstly, right? And you should have a, even though, देखो यार सबको पता होता है अपना, ठीक है, why I did not get. Sometimes we go into denial, and that is the reason why so many rumors are also spread about the SSB, right? So let's say if a person returns from the conference, is not been able to get selected. Now anyone else will ask him, कि भाई क्या हो गया, क्या, what went wrong? Rather than taking the blame on himself, he'll try to put the blame on the SSB. अरे यार ऐसे ही होता है, ये इनका तो छोटी छोटी बातों पे निकाल देते हैं, ठीक है? And that is what, from where the all the rumor mills, they start. Allahabad is a rejection board. Bhopal is a rejection board. No place is a rejection board. They are getting paid to select people. Okay, so we should put that faith in them. Anyway, yes, right? Any questions? What are the four different factors that interviewers are looking for? Yeah, that you can find by Googling. That is a simple answer you can find by Googling, right? There are 15 OLQs. They are divided into four factors. Okay, n number of all the websites. On all the websites you can find. Okay, just to give you a brief idea, these are four factors, right? Just in a very brief and crisp note, I'd like to cover them. Four factors are, if you want to remember it, they're called ISLD, right? ISLD is, first is intellect or intelligence, second is social, third is leadership or social effectiveness, right? Fourth is dynamism, right? First contains effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression, right? Factor two contains, which is social, is social adaptability, cooperation, and sense of responsibility, right? Factor three, leadership, contains speed of decision making, liveliness, self confidence. Then there is initiative, and there's one more. Which one am I missing? हमेशा फैक्टर थ्री में एक भूल जाता हूँ यार मैं. There is one more. ठीक है, you can go and check, right? Fourth one,
Confidence.
नहीं, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस हो गया. ठीक है, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, स्पीड ऑफ डिसीजन, लाइवलीनेस,
Self.
ability to influence. Sorry, my
Ability
bad.
to
Loud mode.
influence.
Yeah, ability to influence. Yes, right. And finally, there is factor four. Factor four is courage, determination, and stamina. Okay, these are the four factors, right? Very important that you study these factors because they will form the core of all three testing, my friends. You don't need to be perfect. Like I said yesterday, you watched yesterday's session. See, all of us have these 15 OLQs, right? But in varying amounts. Some in some qualities will be very good, and some qualities will might need to improve, right? So we have to just understand which qualities do we lack in, right? And which ones do we need to improve. Okay. Now, because this is the essence. If you understand OLQ sufficiently, so आपको अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है कोई, ठीक है, एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव अ लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस अराउंड दैट, but you know the OLQs, right? So if you can put two and two together and answer something which is in line with the OLQs, then also it is an acceptable answer. Do you understand? You get merited. Acha, so if you're going for Navy, acha, okay, there are a lot of questions. Uh, sir, do we need to, acha, ho gaya. If we are going for Navy, if the question is like, if you get merit in for Army and Navy, will you leave? As you have given attempts for both. Will you leave Navy? No, sir, wherever I get selected first, I'll join. Right? Or see, the thing is, uh, देखो, इट्स अ ट्रैप क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। व्हेनेवर द वाइफ आस्क्स कि खाना कैसा बना है, तो हमेशा अच्छा ही बोलना होता है। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हेन दे आस्क यू व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू ज्वाइन, यू से नेवी, राइट? व्हाई? फाइंड अ रीजन। सर, बिकॉज द यूनिफॉर्म इज वेरी आई कैची, राइट? Can you explain about how to go about it, please? Okay. Self introspection here. Self introspection is, see, what I say is that what you can do is you can talk to a lot of people, right? So, what are the 10 sequence questions during the interview? I've searched on Google, but all sites are giving different answers. That's why I'm not sure which one is correct. You can go to our Telegram channel, find this particular PDF, right? Which says interview questions, right? Look for this, search in the file section. You'll find, scroll करोगे थोड़ा सा ना फाइल सेक्शन में, so you'll find टॉप पे ना सर्च बार आ जाता है, ठीक है? And there you can search for interview questions, ठीक है? That is where you'll find. Okay. Now, introspection. See, introspection is always, journal writing can help, right? Journal writing is one of the best recommended methods to self introspect, right? It is usually around decisions. Fine. You have to take others' opinions into account. Okay. Self introspection is never unilateral. Fine. It is a reflection of your actions and whether they were right or wrong, or what you could have done better. Okay. Instead of this, it reveals a lot of things about ourselves, right? And you can also take the inputs of the people around you, right? Chale, so not taking any more questions. Sometimes I ask spontaneous, out of the box questions that sometimes we have not prepared how to handle. Self introspection, always. Okay. And if you guys have any trouble, so we have a specific worksheet that we have curated, but that is only part of the batch. Okay. So it has taken me a lot of time to aggregate all those questions, right? And actually, batch में ना इसके अलावा we're also covering what it is, a journey of entire OLQs, right? So we dedicate around 6-7 discussion sessions like this. Okay. These are shorter sessions. They are 2 hours long. Fine. So we dedicate discussion of OLQs, okay, our time to that, fine. And in that OLQ discussion, you will find answers to self introspection questions, right? Or you will get to frame your answers accordingly, okay. And that is what is the most crucial part when it comes to being able to tackle the even if you don't have an answer, clear cut answer, okay, if you understand the OLQs better, you'll be able to sail through. Okay, there have been many instances when people have lied about things. Okay, so but it also has to be in line with this thing. Okay, so how can the question of IO differ in second attempt than first one? How can question of IO differ in second attempt than first? Second attempt, mein usually you become a repeater, right? So initial part mein is more likely to ask you what went wrong in the previous attempts. ठीक है, प्लस क्वेश्चन योर मोटिवेशन, ठीक है। सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंसेस नहीं आते हैं, एक्सेप्ट व्हाट हैव यू इंप्रूव्ड फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट, ठीक है, एंड व्हाई वर यू नॉट सिलेक्टेड इन द प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट, फाइन। बट इफ यू बिकम अ हार्डकोर रिपीटर 4 times 5 times 6 times, ठीक है, देन नॉलेज वाले पार्ट पे बिल्कुल कॉम्प्रोमाइज एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है, ठीक है, वंस यू बिकम अ हार्डकोर रिपीटर, फाइन। प्लस यू हैव टू हैव दिस आंसर, why were you not selected in the previous attempt, okay. You're also expected to have some knowledge of defense, right? These are the things, okay. Not some very significant changes, because the essential mode of evaluation still remains the same, which is the OLQs, right? I have a problem in psych. I'm not able to make stories in PPTT. How can I overcome it? I'll tell you one thing. Use your life as a reference point, right? As well as in time. Use your life as a reference point. If when you start pouring your life experiences, provided they are in line with the picture, fine. Sometimes people they deviate from the picture, right? So if the picture is given to you as a stimulus, what you need to do is elaborate on what is happening inside the picture, right? People write too much of background, ठीक है, तो फ्लैशबैक में जी रहे होते हैं, या राइट, या फिर फ्यूचर में जी रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, टू मच ऑफ फ्यूचर एक्शंस, व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर the picture. Nobody elaborates on what is happening inside the picture. What are the characters talking about? How are they feeling? Right? What are they thinking? How did they react? Right? Correct. So this is what we call micro action. It is something that we cover as part of PPTD batch. Right? I can't think of something extraordinary. Extraordinary. Yeah, you have a lot of questions, bro. Okay, these are topics which are covered, which require a lot of time to deal with, to be honest. Right? So if I start elaborating on that, the entire today's class will be dedicated to that only. है ना? I'd like to refrain from that. ठीक है? I've given you a brief idea. You can elaborate. Uh, there was a question where ठीक है, तो चलो सिमरन का क्वेश्चन हम लेते हैं बाद में. ठीक है, राइट नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन why your cameras are not on. First things. ठीक है, first things first. I really don't like teaching when the cameras are off. Okay, better, slightly better. Just two people out of 63 participants. My God, guys, come on, come on, show some love. Hmm. Right. So let's go to the next question, which we had given for assignment. First question is, what motivated you to join the forces? Right? What motivates you to join forces? Right? This is the question. ठीक है. तो पहले हम आंसर देने से पहले let's do some pre-analysis. ठीक है. So let's do some digging. First question is, why is the interviewing officer asking this question? ठीक है. Can I get some answers?
Sir, he wanted to know that what came in our mind that took us here, like to the SSB or to the spot
But
where
why?
he
But
can.
why? Why?
So maybe he wants to know that we are really interested in it, or just we are doing like any other job.
Okay. But why does he want to know this?
To check the source of our motivation.
Okay. But
Like
why?
if I am like we are dedicated to this or not. If we are not dedicated, then we can't give our 100% to this.
Okay.
Maybe trying to check whether how serious we are.
How serious we are. But what will happen if you're not serious?
Sir, they don't want like the wrong type of people to come into the forces.
Okay. Okay. How will that cost them if the wrong type of people come into the forces?
So then it would become just like any other department that are there in the civil community. Like I'm not saying every civil community is bad, but they have bad elements, and I say that the defense forces have the least amount of bad influence people that are there.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. So see, basic idea is that
Feel,
yeah. Go ahead.
sir, I feel that he wants to know that what he knows about the defense forces and how he will contribute towards the defense forces by joining it.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. It's
Sir, I think he wants to know that how much progressive we are in our lives. And
that is an overall point. Yes, that is an overall perspective. Yes, if you're progressive, definitely you're going to make it in the interview. But
So one thing is more there. So like in our 10th class or 12th class, we made the choice of subjects like what we wanted to study. So the similar way we can also apply here that what made us or what the basic thing that we want we were seeing in ourselves that we want to apply to this position or to the job. So we also want to know.
okay, so you guys are not hitting the mark. So let's talk about it. I'll elaborate. Right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So somewhat yes. So Krish has to say that if we are actually interested, then we can deal with difficult situations somehow. Right. What is the expectation from an officer when he joins the armed forces? What is the expectation? Why is he being hired? Or she being hired? Yeah.
To lead people and to do whatever work that they are being given
Yes.
to
Okay.
the best of their abilities.
Abilities. Correct. Right. Okay. Now, if a person is, let's say he made a bad choice, right? He's not the kind of person he thought he is. right? And let's say if he's not social enough and he comes into the forge, right? What happens? It starts affecting because he'll start getting alienated. He'll start keeping himself alienated, right? And that will affect the overall morale of the forge, right? That is one part, right? Plus, when the push comes to shove, when there is, when a person has to go beyond the call of duty, so then he will most likely try to shy away from it, right? Then third perspective, sometimes some people, they become opportunist and they try to, use forge as a platform, and then they get a better opportunity, they leave for that particular opportunity. So that results in wastage of resources of forge, right? So because an officer's training is quite expensive, right? I think it's something around, they charge around 7,000, 8,000 per day, right? For if you want to leave the academy, right? Something along those lines. Okay. So all in all, if a person who is not fit enough for armed forces makes it into the armed forces, then there is lose-lose situation, right? Now, so in order to get around this, the assessors, they try to see at least 5 years into the future, at least, right? 5 years. If you're trained and if you serve for 5 years, it was somewhat like, ठीक है, आपने contribution करा, ठीक है, you got trained, you utilized the exchequer's money, fine, and you got trained, but then you contributed for 5 years and then you left. Okay. So at least they're looking at 5 years, okay, into the future. And that is the reason why in the SD section, you also see that there is, where do you see yourself in the future? Right. So the duration for that period is 5 years. Fine. Now I hope you understand, okay, that you have a greater detail, you have a greater outline as to what all they are seeking exactly. Okay. So if your answer goes along these lines, whatever we have talked about, okay, then you are likely not going to make it. Fine. Acha. Now next the next question is, then what is motivation all about? Right, sir, आपने ये तो बता दिया वो क्या देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, but how do I give a good answer then? Right, that is the question. So I say that, very good, I'll give you an answer to that also, right? But the answer needs to stem from you. Okay, I can give you a broad outline, right? The broad outline is according to, so if you at any point, if you study organizations, you'll understand that there is a theory which says that the intrinsic motivation of any employee, right, is dependent on 4 factors, right? First one being the choice. If it's by choice, okay. If the person is going there, it's just like love marriage, है ना? तो if अरेंज मैरिज होती है, ठीक है, कल को लड़ाई होती है तो आप घर वालों को सर खाओगे, है ना, कि आप लेके आए, ठीक है. बट इफ यू मैरी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस, ठीक है, you have to resolve it. It's your responsibility, right? So when you choose something on your own accord, then it becomes our responsibility, correct? So that is point number 1. That is if it's by choice, right? So the best answer would be that somehow you make it sound that why you chose, okay, or rather why Forge is your choice, okay. Now there are 2 parts to it again, okay. We might have studied in our CDS NDA examinations, there is a revolt of 1857, okay. So there was some simmering discontent, long-term cause, fine, and then there was an immediate cause, immediate trigger, right, which was the revolt of 1857, okay. So similarly, we also have that, right? So let's say, for example, I have respect towards armed forces since I was a kid, fine, but I never thought about making a career in it until unless, let's say, I was in college and I saw someone who was very close to me getting selected. So that made me realize that, okay, this is something that I can also do, right? That would be an immediate cause. Okay. Try to remember, try to recall the day that you made the choice that, okay, yes, I will, from today onwards, I'll start preparing. Right. I made a, I'll tell you a story. I was in my NDA attempts. Okay. So I had qualified the NDA once. I gave one paper, I qualified it. Okay. So I had the SSB coming up, right? But I was not able to go because my midsems fell, clashed along with that. Okay. So I asked my dean, ma'am, what do I do? So she says, ki, if you go, if you leave, if you skip the midterm exams, then we're giving you a year back, right? And we had already paid the fees, which was quite hefty at the time, right? So I did not want to lose out on it, or my mother to lose out on her precious money. So that was my point of view. Okay. So I left it. Anyway, I put in a request to postpone it. Fine. But nothing happened. So I was back at home from hostel, right? I was making tea for my mother. And that is when I got the news that they had reverted back, and they said that it was the last batch, so we cannot accommodate you, unfortunately. And that was my last attempt for NDA. ठीक है. तो I was अदरक कूट रहा था मैं. ठीक है. और आंसू निकल रहे थे आंखों से. ठीक है. उस दिन खट्टी मीठी चाय पिलाई है मैंने घर वालों को. ठीक है. And that is the day when I decided, because I was very casual for NDA, to be honest, right? I believed in others' advice. किसी किसी के सुनने से कि ये वाला फॉर्म मत भरो, वो वाला फॉर्म मत भरो, 11th अपियरिंग वाला मत भरो, 12th अपियरिंग वाला मत भरो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. I decided that this is something that I will do, and with 100% commitment. ठीक है. So after college, I was doing a job. I realized that I should prepare for Fauj. I left my job, right? I invested in coaching. ठीक है. Gave my all, right? Got recommended eventually within 6, 7, 8 months. Fine. That was my drive. ठीक है. That is the day I realized कि ऐसा मेरे को ठीक है होगा. Fine. Now, so once we have decided, then we also find other reasons. ठीक है. Then we start finding, it becomes confirmation bias. Then I realized that I am also from defense background, right? My Nanu has also been a part of forces, right? So that all will motivate me. Okay. I've studied in a defense Air Force school actually, right? So this is the decision making part, right? I get a trigger. Just one moment, guys. I think he's trying to say something, right? So I'll just one moment. Right. Sorry. So he's being very adamant. Anyway, so point is that initially we decide, okay. Second step of decision making is whether or not my morals and value system aligns with what is required at Forge. Right. So second step of analysis is this. Right. What kind of people are required? Social people. Okay, whose factor 2 is good. Physical fitness is part of their life, right? Organizing and social, all these social things, okay, courage, spirit of adventure, all of these things are required if you want to survive in the army, right? If you're a person who would rather sit by himself and inside his room on a couch, being a couch potato, definitely you should not go, right? So I hope you understand. We first start off with the trigger point. That this is the day when I made the decision that I will appear for armed forces. Okay. Thereafter, sir, I also found some other reasons. And then I started analyzing myself. So whatever I like to do in my life is something which is being offered as an officer. Right. I love going, I love being an outdoor person. I love getting into adventurous activities. Right. And that is the kind of lifestyle that is expected from an officer in the armed forces. Right. Okay. Also check the inner drive. of the person where he or she feels belong to particular profession and wants to excel here with his her contribution in the whole to the organization. Okay, that is also there. Who opened the whiteboard, guys? Please do not fiddle with it. Okay, right. All monkey brains here, right? Monkey minds. हाँ पूछो.
Sir, I don't know how it got started. Sorry.
You don't know how to start about?
Sir, I don't know whether if this whiteboard was started by me or
अच्छा,
not.
okay. That's okay. That's
Specifically.
okay. That's okay. I don't mind. Right. ठीक है. Please pay attention. Right, guys. So the first thing that you talk about is the day when you decided. ठीक है. And put like I said, you have to remember the golden rule of SSB, which is 5 seconds to one answer. Right, 5 seconds. Try to summarize it within 5 seconds. Fine. Don't make a entire Ram Katha out of it. Okay, you can go slightly longer, but depending on how you're pitching things. Okay, within 5 seconds, you should be able to convey the crux. Okay, that becomes so that way you become very effective. All right. Next part is you talk about the analysis that you did of morals and values that are required in Forge and morals and values that you follow in your life. Yeah. Spirit of camaraderie, right? Adventurous lifestyle. These things are okay to talk about. Okay. Any questions? Okay. One more thing. Usually some doubts that I get, so I'll try to resolve them on my own. Okay. So well in advance. So usually the kind of doubts that I get. So I did not give any ND attempts. Okay. And last time I said that, sir, if you say that, sir, since childhood, I wanted to join the armed forces. And if you haven't given any 10+2 entries, okay, I'm not talking about the girls, right? So if you haven't given any 10+2 entries, then obviously you're setting yourself up for a contradiction, right? So it's better that you have your trigger in college. So this is when one of my friends, when I was in college, sir, I always respected the armed forces, right? But when I was in college, one of my friends who was very close to me got selected. Or, sir, I came in contact with our NCC ANO. And sir, I just fell in love with the person's personality, right? With his personality. That is how I got introduced to forces, right? Very well spoken, very well articulated, very disciplined and hardworking. So that is how I thought, okay, this is something that I can do in life. Right. Then I found other reasons that all of my friends were also motivated. So it was a very respectable job. Right. Then I started looking at what is expected out of armed forces officers. And I realized that spirit of camaraderie, this and this, these things are required. And this is exactly what I expect out of a career. Right. So if you haven't given ND attempts, don't say since childhood. Since childhood उन्हीं का अधिकार है जिन्होंने 10+2 एंट्रीज दी हैं. ठीक है. Okay, you can have respect towards armed forces since childhood, but keep your trigger in your college. Understood, everyone? Any questions around this?
गुड इवनिंग सर.
Not necessary, not necessary. बट हाँ ये वो पूछेंगे फिर देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी कि यार तूने फिर कोचिंग क्यों नहीं ली, तूने ये क्यों नहीं करा, राइट? सो देयर यू कैन take you'll have to take responsibility for it. Sir, I was not very serious back then, right? Or I did not know how to appear in a competitive exams. You'll have to take the blame for that. Okay, but
हेलो सर.
हाँ जी बताइए.
Sir, I have a question regarding the interview. Last time I was conference out, the interviewer asked me why you want to join Indian Army?
Okay.
Who motivated you to join Indian Army?
Huh.
But I'm a service candidate.
Okay.
Why they
See,
ask
I
me?
understand. Okay, fine. Okay,
And
okay.
he
Huh.
also tried to tell me that I am not previously attended any SSB in ACC entry, so I am going
Huh.
for the SU entry,
Huh.
so that they might have asked me.
Huh. So you can say that, sir. So usually what happens is
Sir,
again.
what is right, sir? I am not wanted to join Indian Army as a anything, but I want to join I am an engineering background. I want to become an engineer, but my friends told me that please go for the go just for a trial, and I am selected.
I'm not able to understand.
Sir, I am not able to. I am not want to join Indian Army,
You don't want
but
to join Indian Army. फिर दिक्कत क्या है फिर कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट होने से?
नहीं मैं
आपको ज्वाइन ही
सर
नहीं
मैं
करना. हाँ.
नहीं सर मैं आई एम ए सर्विस कैंडिडेट आई एम इन आर्मी राइट नाउ
Okay.
that
Yes.
time I am
Okay.
not realize that why I want to join
The
Indian
real
Army.
question was, see, the real question was, why do you want to become an officer? Right? You're already
So
serving in the
they,
army. Right? Why do you want to become an officer? ठीक है. So
no, sir,
I'll give you a
who motivated you to join Indian Army?
I'll
They
give you
asked.
a short answer to this. Usually, what happens is, see, I can see that you are not serious. You were not serious. You had not prepared, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir,
तो
yes, sir.
हाँ, तो वो आप सीरियस नहीं थे, वो उसके बाद तो सही है, ठीक है. But the question is, usually what happens if a person is already in an organization? So here we come to the second factor. Okay, so I discussed that there are four factors which promote intrinsic motivation. Okay, first one is by choice, right? Second is being competent, right? Competent, if a person is competent. Okay, third is purpose and fourth is growth, right? So growth जो है ना, growth आपके काम का ज्यादा है यहाँ पे. Fine. So these are the four things that motivate anyone to work towards something. You understand? Just 1 second, guys.
Sir.
ठीक है, ग्रोथ होती है आंसर. Right. So growth is the real reason that you want to go for it. Okay, which you were not able to portray, but you need to self introspect and you need to prepare seriously if you want to actually make it in. Okay, चलिए. All right. So usually people, they want to make decisions, they want to lead from the front. Okay, that is what gives them growth. Right. Today I'm doing level 1 problem. Tomorrow I should be able to solve level 10 problem. Okay, that is progression. That is growth. Right. So today, let's say I have a small role in a bigger machinery. Today, I want to have the bigger role in that bigger machinery. Fine. So that is what motivates me. Or maybe I want to provide a very good quality of life or a better quality of life to my family. Growth again. Right. These are the reasons why. Given NDA but could not clear the, should I mention it? Because my dad is ex-IF. हाँ तो बोलना पड़ेगा, मानना पड़ेगा कि सर सीरियस नहीं था एनडीए के लिए. ठीक है, अदरवाइज सीरियस होता तो कोचिंग लेता. ठीक है. I gave reference of some of my seniors as motivation. Got countered. IO said you don't have your own idea and thinking. Uh, Not really. So they counter तो हर चीज का होता है ना. It's about do you actually, अब वो डाउन प्ले कर रहा है. ठीक है. He has a pessimistic perspective, right? So you should talk about what optimism you have, right? So he's my senior. He has done everything that I'm doing, right? So that is how we figure out. I mean, I took a lot of positive things from him, है ना? So you might say that I don't have यहाँ पे ईगो भी थोड़ा मसाज करना पड़ेगा. You should not outrightly reject his point, right? That no sir, you're wrong, completely wrong. Sir, you might say, but sir, I believe that there are a lot of things that I learned from that particular senior, and sir, through self introspection only, I have realized that this is a uh, career option which is for me. Okay. Sir, I respect all forces equally, so I'm always in a dilemma to answer a question about the most liked force. What should the approach be? See, there should be something which is very trivial, which cannot be countered generally. Okay, usually around, maybe I can say that I love being around the coast. Maybe. Okay, if I'm going for navy, right? Or sir, I'll get an opportunity to fly planes as a fighter pilot, right? सो नेवी में भी जा सकता है फिर तो सर मैं ट्राई करूंगा यस आई विल ट्राई बट सर मेरा मार्क्स नहीं है उतने ठीक है आर्मी में भी जा सकता है यस सर दैट इज माय सेकंड प्रेफरेंस आई विल ट्राई दैट ठीक है सो डोंट रिफ्यूट द इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर जनरली स्पीकिंग ठीक है थोड़ा सा ईगो मसाज करना पड़ता है राइट और जहां पे आपकी इंटेग्रिटी पे सवाल आ जाए ना वहां पे आपको यू विल हैव टू काउंटर हिज पर्सपेक्टिव्स ठीक है पोलाइटली डिसएग्री
Sir,
हाँ यस बोलो
sir, I have always been very interested in sports and I played handball in school also. But due to some financial crisis and some other situation, I was not able to pursue it professionally or join some academy or sports academy. And but I did national camp in NCC and stuff. So how do I count? Like how do I not blame the situation? Because yesterday you said you are not supposed to blame other situations, so how do I not blame that situation that I had lack of resources, so that's why I did not pursue it professionally, even though after being so much interested in sports.
okay fine right so okay so you can start off by saying sir whatever opportunities were provided to me I did the best in them, right? But sir, I also had to balance studies in my life. Why? Because I had to do something for my family, right? So, and sir, looking at my own potential, I played till nationals, and I understood that anything beyond this would require a complete commitment, right? And sir, and it would also require a lot of resources, right? So I did not want to put that burden on my family, right? Rather than saying they were not capable, you can say I did not want to put that burden on my family. ठीक है okay sir how to Tony Stark says how to justify less marks in intermediate it was due to health issues but seems more like an excuse although it is only genuine reason myself Nikhil sorry joining from it's okay so the pseudonym okay so what you need to say that you can start off by taking blame sir see because you must have fallen ill only for 1 month 2 month at max 3 month right you won't have fallen ill for the entire year right and you are supposed to study all year round right so what you can say is sir it was slightly my mistake right before the exams I was quite involved in sports and extracurriculars and this and that right I was thinking that in the last moment I'll be able to do it right but sir in last moment I fell ill so it's partially my fault and partially it's also the situation that I was in ठीक है start off with that any failure के around ना take responsibility the only way forward is taking responsibility okay getting my point So when asked about work life, how should we portray it? Yeah, this is not what we're discussing, right? This is not a topic of what we're discussing. ठीक है, इंटरमीडिएट की हमने कल बात करी थी इसलिए मैंने उठा लिया. Is it also, it is all fine, or we need to, guys, let's talk more about the motivation, right? Tell the challenges we face also. We are generally don't tell inside things to outside people. Also, how we need to answer about our colleagues and team. Should we say they are all nice? Specific answers, यार, they are all nice. This is एक blanket word में आपने वो convey कर दिया. But regarding each and every colleague, you should have what you like, what do you dislike, what are your common areas that you talk about. ठीक है, what are your gives and takes of the relationship. Fine, because every relationship is like a lock and key mechanism. ठीक है, you give some, you take some, right? All of that needs to be taken into account. Work life, how should we portray? You should never say that you hate your work life. That's it. Don't have a push factor. ठीक है, you should say कि sir, I like what I do, right? But more than that, I'm missing a thrill in life. That is the only thing that I'm missing that can be provided to me in the armed forces, right? I don't have any certificate or proof, but I did so many things and I have experience. How should I explain them? यही खेल जा, यही गेम खेल ले फिर, है ना? Just say it to him, यही सीधा. Then what he'll do, he'll ask you a lot of questions, and you should also have a probable reason as to why you don't have a certificate. Should have a sound reason. ठीक है. Sir, I heard. I mean, the interviewing officer has a lot of ways to cross verify whether or not you've done something that you say you have, right? So don't worry. तो उसके लिए ready रहना बस cross questioning के लिए. Or I heard that CDS OTA ladies go to the army only. Yes, it's correct. 3 months, sir. Yes, agree. हाँ, ठीक है, 3 महीने हुआ था ना. हाँ, वही है, राउंड द ईयर पढ़ना होता है. सर, व्हाट इफ वर गेटिंग रिकमेंडेड बट नॉट मेकिंग द मेरिट, हाउ टू मेक द कट? देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू, राइट? सो जीटीओ में पहले तो ध्यान दो, ठीक है. इसमें हैव मोर क्लैरिटी अराउंड सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, राइट? नॉलेज बेस्ड वाले टॉपिक पे डोंट स्क्रू अप, राइट? एंड जितने भी जीटीओ में ना, आफ्टर फर्स्ट 4 टास्क, बाकी जितने होते हैं ना, ऑल द 5 रिमेनिंग टास्क, they are to rank the recommended candidates amongst themselves. So if you focus on that, you can fetch extra marks in GTO. Okay. इंटरव्यू में आप क्या कर सकते हो? इंटरव्यू में हैविंग मोर क्लैरिटी अबाउट योर ओन पर्सनैलिटी, एंड सेकेंड थिंग, नॉलेज अबाउट डिफेंस फोर्सेस, करंट अफेयर्स, दिस एंड दैट, नॉलेज अबाउट योर ओन एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज. ठीक है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, राइट, विल फेच यू मोर मार्क्स. फाइन. एंड व्हेन टॉकिंग अबाउट साइक, तो साइक का ना थोड़ा सर्टन तरीके से बोल नहीं सकता, राइट? बट व्हाट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व दैट इनोवेटिव स्टोरीज अगर आप लिख रहे हो, थोड़ी सी यूनिक टाइप की स्टोरीज, आइडियाज विच आर प्रैक्टिकल ऑल्सो एंड इनोवेटिव एट द सेम टाइम. ठीक है, सो दैट वुड फेच यू सम एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स. ओके. ग्रेड ए जॉब, यार ये सब कैसे? अच्छा, ओके. ग्रेड ए जॉब, perks and salary, that too we get to visit places, and everything is secured including future family. You can say that, yes, you can say that, है ना? अच्छी बात है ये तो, मतलब लाइक खुल के ही आपने बोल दिया. देयर वाज दिस वन गाय जिसको पूछा गया था कि द इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर आस्क्ड हिम दैट व्हाई डू यू वांट टू जॉइन. So he said कि sir, I went to my mamu's place, and when I was there, I observed that every officer had a very beautiful wife, sir, right? And I also want a very beautiful wife for myself, right? तो अब इसके बारे में कुछ काउंटर है नहीं. सो इंटरव्यू ऑफिसर, ही थॉट फॉर सम टाइम एंड ही सेज दैट यार मेरी वाइफ तो सुंदर नहीं है. तो इसने भी कुछ देर सोचा फिर, ठीक है, तो कहता कि सर, अब वो तो आपकी खराब किस्मत, मैं तो देखो सुंदर वाली ढूंढूंगा. ठीक है, देयर इज नो कम बैक फ्रॉम दैट, राइट? सो it is something which should not be subject to change, right? It should not make you come across as an opportunist, right? कि कल को अगर सिचुएशन चेंज हो गई तो आप बदल दोगे. The most core reason for joining forces is passion. ठीक है, पैशन के बिना ना nobody is going to take a bullet on his chest just for any amount of money. Do you understand? It is for the service to the nation. Always, right? So people who go into Forge are passionate about it, right? So you might as well convey that. ठीक है. तो एक बंदा था मेरा स्टूडेंट ही, ठीक है, एंड ही वाज ऑलमोस्ट माय एज, राइट? सो आई वाज टीचिंग, आई डिड नॉट नो, राइट? दिस गोज बैक 6 months 7 months, ठीक है, एंड ही इज ऑलमोस्ट माय एज, 1-2 साल छोटा रहा होगा प्रॉब्ली, ठीक है. नाउ ही हैज वर्कड इन ऑल द डिफरेंट डोमेन्स, ठीक है. कभी आईटी में, कभी उसने सेल्स में काम करा, कभी किसमें, कभी बहुत सारी अलग अलग 4-5 अलग अलग डोमेन्स में काम करा. सबका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, ठीक है. कभी प्रोग्रामिंग में, कभी कुछ कभी कुछ. तो मैंने कहा यार तेरे को तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है ये, मतलब लाइक. तो कहता सर वी 4 friends हैव अ प्लान स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, ठीक है, और मैं उसके लिए एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर रहा हूँ ये अलग अलग जगह से. और मैंने कहा यार इतना मेहनत कर रहा है तू लाइफ में, देन व्हाई डू यू वांट टू गो. अब उसका एक प्लान जो है ना, प्लान बी, वो इतना स्ट्रांग हो गया दैट इट इज ओवरशैडोइंग प्लान ए, राइट? कि प्लान बी इतना इतना मेहनत कर दिया कि यार अब वो छोड़ के क्यों जाएगा वो प्लान ए में, ठीक है. तो वो कन्वे नहीं कर पा रहा था. मैंने बोला यार देखो, फिर बात है हाउ डू यू पुट इट, राइट? सो यू शुड से कि यार पैशन बताओ ना यार. यार पहला प्यार तो फौज ही है ना. एंड आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग. उसी के बाद से सर ये इतनी समझ आई कि दैट आई विल बी एबल टू प्लान बी. सो व्हाई वुड आई नॉट गो टू प्लान ए इफ आई गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी, है ना? तो इट्स अबाउट कन्वेइंग, right? Many people keep their answer 5 to 6 things like respect, love, adventure, perks, background, defense. Uh, this thing sounds convincing to you. It depends from person to person, to be honest. ठीक है. चॉइस अगर आप बता सकते हो, चॉइस या पैशन, then is the best thing. ठीक है. अब अगर ये इतनी सारी चीजें बताता भाई, मैं इसको काउंटर करता, ठीक है, एज एन इंटरव्यू ऑफिसर. सो आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली given a counter question, right? Financial independence can be one of the reasons, right? अबे यार इतना existentialism देने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. राइट, हाउ आर यू सर? वैसे ही बस ठीक ही है सर, जिंदा है, वो वाली बात हो गई, है ना? समझ रहे हो? कि आपसे पूछा किसी ने हाउ आर यू डूइंग, बस भाई जिंदा है. दिस इज एग्जिस्टेंशियल काइंड ऑफ आंसर. फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए आप जॉब करो फिर यार. प्राइवेट सेक्टर में क्या रोक रहा है? कौन रोक रहा है आपको जाने से? ठीक है, चलो. एनीवे, next we move on to the next part of today's this thing. How can I reply for my weaknesses? कल वाला वीडियो देखो, ठीक है. Okay, next question is, sure, right. Next question is that why were you not selected in the previous attempts? Okay, now let me tell you, this is a nuclear bomb. Fine, provided you know how to press the button. ठीक है, लोगों को बटन प्रेस करना नहीं आता, ठीक है. वो क्या करते हैं? वो भागते हैं. ओके, आई शेड. क्या यार, कम ऑन यार कमल, यू आर गोइंग टू बी एन ऑफिसर एंड यू डोंट इवन रीड मैसेजेस, ठीक है. देखो, फाइंड इट, इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन शेयर्ड. ओके, सो यूज योर फैक्टर 1. एनीवे, सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट, yeah, so that was the question, that why were you not selected in the previous attempt. It is a question where you can start off on your weaknesses, let me tell you. And if you talk about your weaknesses, my friends, then that will help you establish trust with the interviewing officer. आप समझ रहे हो? अगर ये पहला क्वेश्चन है ना आपके इंटरव्यू में, आपसे बड़ा किस्मत वाला कोई बंदा नहीं है, ठीक है. इफ यू आस्क यू व्हाई, बिकॉज ही हैज गिवन यू अ वाइड अपॉर्चुनिटी. The answer to this question is not limited to any 1 or 2 sentences. The more introspection that you have done, the better it is. आप इधर स्टार्ट कर सकते हो अपनी वीकनेसेस के साथ, राइट? सो लाइक आई सेड व्हाट आई सेड, आई हैड गॉटन स्क्रीन्ड आउट ट्वाइस. तो मैंने बोल दिया यार सर, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग is something that I struggled with, right? Which is also true at the moment. Okay. So again, what is public speaking about? Effectiveness, power of expression, ability to influence, self-confidence. ये सारा. Public speaking is related to factor 1, factor 3, not factor 2, factor 4. Correct? It is something which is trainable. Do you understand? अपनी weaknesses यहाँ से open करके I can start off. Now, next part. One of the most common answers that I get is people start counting their SSBs. ठीक है, जैसे माला जपते हैं ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. ठीक है, अब भाई 20 अटेम्प्ट है तो 20 अटेम्प्ट थोड़ी बताएगा यार, बार एक एक करके. What I need is a crux of the matter. Right? Crux of the matter would be sufficient. And then you should elaborate if at all you want to. Yeah, but lead with the crux always. Right? अब होता कैसे है देखो, I'll give you a very brief idea as to what happens. First 2 attempts में usually, if you're making it into the conference, ठीक है, if you're getting conferenced out, so usually people are not at all prepared. ठीक है, usually they're not prepared. Fine, there are exceptions. Some people go to coaching even before going for first second attempt, right? They are prepared, but then उनका क्या होता है, preconceived हो जाते हैं वो. That is different. ठीक है, now you get 2 reasons from here. ठीक है, lack of preparation and being preconceived, right? So initial 1-2 attempts में ये ज्यादा prominent reasons होते हैं. ठीक है, then what happens is when the person crosses over from second attempt, तो third fourth में आता है ना, then he starts looking around, talking to recommended candidates. ठीक है, this and that. Now the problem is that he starts copying them. Right? He starts portraying a personality which is not his own, which is not consistent with his own personality. ठीक है, 2 SSB इसमें बिताता है. फिर इसके बाद 5th 6th SSB अटेम्प्ट में आते आते क्या होता है ना, then a person has an idea कि okay, I need to be original, I need to be prepared for each and every test. ठीक है, but by that time then he tries to evade this question, why were you not recommended. तो वो सोचता है कि यार मैं weakness बताऊंगा तो ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, अगर मैं reason for not getting selected बताऊंगा तो उस पे पकड़ के मारेगा मेरी. भाई वो तो मारेगा, ठीक है, but you have to, the best part about it is you can plan it in advance. आपको पता है ना किस बात में लेगा, आप उस पर काम करके जाओ. You can lead him right where you want to. Fine. I hope you understand. Correct. Lack of self introspection is another major reason. और lack of self introspection होगा तो उसकी वजह से साइक भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा, इंटरव्यू भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा, बिकॉज द पर्सन विल नॉट बी रिफ्लेक्टिंग हिज ओन पर्सनालिटी. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट ऑफ बाय दीज थिंग्स, राइट? सो आई लर्न माय लेसन सर. ठीक है, सो you learn some lessons from your SSB. Now, the point is that SSB is a reflection of life. ठीक है, now, again coming to second point here. ठीक है, पहला वाला क्या point था कि give a crux, people start counting their entire SSBs. ठीक है, that was the first point. Second point, let's talk about it. Yes, people start talking about test wise. Sir, I was not able to finish stories in TAT. I was not able to write sentences in VAT. ठीक है, I was not able to complete self description. यार अगर एक बात सोचो, 8 लाइन लिख रहे हो आप, ठीक है, 10 की जगह है, 8 लाइन लिख रहे हो, 2 लाइन छूट रही हैं, तो क्या अगर 8 लाइन की क्वालिटी अच्छी है तो क्या आप सिलेक्ट नहीं होगे? Getting my point? You have left 20% of the work, let's say. ठीक है, but the rest 80% is there. If it was quality and if it was what they wanted, then they would have given you an option कि यार चल तू 20% complete कर ले बाकी, but give us an answer because we have to decide. Right? People talk about tests कि सर ये टेस्ट फिनिश नहीं कर पाया था, वो टेस्ट फिनिश नहीं कर पाया था. अरे भाई, it is all indicative to a bigger thing, which is lack of preparation. If you're not able to finish the test. Right? What did you work on? How did you work on it? That is more important. Fine. Don't talk, don't go test wise because we learned something. So if I'm not able to finish my test on time, then that means I lack practice. Fine. And I'm not used to writing. Okay. Let's say for example. Right. Then we come to, then he says कि सर एक क्वेश्चन का गलत आंसर दे दिया था इंटरव्यू में. अरे एक क्वेश्चन का नहीं, पूरा इंटरव्यू गड़बड़ होता है. पूरा इंटरव्यू गड़बड़ होता है. ठीक है, because again the same thing, if had you answered 8 out of 10 questions the way he wanted to, then you would have gotten selected. You might lack self introspection in that. Okay. Similarly in GTO, let's say if you're not physically capable, so I hope you understand there is one core thing that will happen that will affect each your psych GTO interview. Core thing. Right? Crux दो यहाँ पे भी. For example, sir, I was not very knowledgeable back then. So as a result, sir, I was very underconfident. It impacted my interview as well as GTO. Okay. Crux, I summarize. And then I give an application of the same. Okay. Similar manner, yaar, मैंने भी, I was also screen out, twice screen out when I answered that question, public speaking wala. ठीक है, that was my game. Fine, but take the blame, take the responsibility. ठीक है, so that's that, guys. Okay, last couple of minutes. ठीक है, so let's take some queries, and thereafter I also have another class to attend, guys, to conduct. So please, let's
Sir,
start 8:30. Yeah, bolo.
sir, I'm a 13-time repeater. I have
Okay,
given 8 conferences. और
okay,
जब भी मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना कि why you were not selected earlier, so honestly speaking, in till my 8th attempt, I have not given self introspection that well. But अभी जब मुझे पूछते हैं ना, तब मैं उन्हें यही जवाब देता हूँ कि सर, in my earlier few attempts, I had very much problem in my spoken communication, in which I was fumbling a lot and I was answering in a hurry. And later on, when I worked upon it, that I have realized that I was describing too much, and because of these things, I was also taking performance pressure, and because of these few things, I was not getting selected.
okay, okay. नहीं यार, थोड़ा सा और देख, पता है इसमें पूरी जर्नी बता सकता है अपनी ना. ये सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, अब तूने बोला सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन तो इंक्लूड ही नहीं करा तूने इसमें. राइट? यू टॉक अबाउट योर एंटायर सेट ऑफ वीकनेसेस. ठीक है, क्यों रिप, यू हैव टू रिप द बैंडेज ऑफ. इफ यू डू इट इनिशियली, ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग में पेन होगा, बट देन उसके बाद यू विल हैव द एंटायर रेस्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यू in order to tell him the story that what you have achieved, how you have improved, which will make you appear as a very progressive person. You understand?
सर, मेजर क्रक्स यही है कि या तो मैं हरी कर रहा था, ज्यादा ओवर डिस्क्रिप्टिव हो रहा था,
Okay.
और शुरुआत के कुछ अटेम्प्ट्स में फंबल कर रहा था,
बट
और
ये भी तो
इन्हीं
बोला ना
कुछ
तूने,
रीजंस की वजह से।
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, पहली चीज तूने क्या बोली मेरे को? इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, लैक ऑफ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन था, है
हाँ
ना? और तूने उसको इसमें डाला नहीं आंसर में. क्यों?
सर, कभी को वो फॉलिंग सही ढंग से कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर पाते ना आंसर को, ये भी कभी कभार इश्यू हो जाता है।
नहीं, बट सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन अगर पहली चीज सबकॉन्शियसली, आई डिड नॉट आस्क यू कि व्हाट वाज द रीजन, है ना, तूने खुद ही बोला है मेरे को, है ना, सबकॉन्शियसली सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन वाला था. Right, and then it is not coming in your answers, then that means that answer has very shallow depth. It's very shallow, you know, it's not deep.
So first, I'll tell that after when I started doing self introspection, I found that I had issues in my spoken communication, and I was being over descriptive, and because of these few reasons I got conferenced out again and
हो
again.
सकता है. Okay. Introspection helped me to realize that these were the mistakes, right? यार जर्नलिंग के लिए ना यू गूगल. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट अ वेरी गुड जर्नल कीपर, सो यू शुड गूगल इट आउट. ठीक है. And I was eligible for AFCAT CDS, but all of my attempts were tech entries as I didn't clear written exams. I confess that I didn't pay. हाँ बिल्कुल, उसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. यू शुड से कि सर नहीं करा मैंने, प्रिपेयर ही नहीं करा. अदरवाइज व्हाट इज वर्स कि सर प्रिपेयर करके मेरी इतने बस की नहीं है कि मैं क्लियर कर लूं. ठीक है, आई एम एन इंफीरियर पर्सन फैक्टर वन वाइज. दैट इज वर्स देन coming across as casual and having improved thereafter. Okay, that is any day better. Sir, I got screen out in my first attempt and conference out in my second. So should I say I introspected in first? I introspected in first and got screened in, but your interview went bad. Which actually I'm not able to understand. ठीक है, चलेगा. How do we convey this to the IO that we got conference out after twice recommendation? क्या convey करना है? कुछ नहीं convey करना है. How do we convey? Simple बोल दो. Do we begin by saying our weaknesses and how we worked up? गलतियां, हाँ, क्यों recommend नहीं हुआ पहले वो चीज कवर करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, I've been recommended twice. The last time I did not practice much, or I was not in the uh, correct time frame. Maybe, let's say, for example. Okay, we can do that. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry to end this abruptly, but we'll have to terminate the session since I have the class that I need to uh, do. Fine. So it is going to take a time and right. So अपन जो है ना बाकी चीजें अपन we have last day tomorrow.